is Ngayon Chongwon from Class 9A of KV Lim number 3 Lenukong in FAB. Today we would like to present a Vikshit Bharat on the topic Swadeshi, and the theme is smart glasses for visually impaired individuals. In future, smart glasses can help us for those people who cannot see and hear. This device offers opposite direction and navigation assistance, providing users with tactile feedback through haptic vibrations and audio cues via speaker. In emergency situation, it allows for quick calls for help through its cellular connectivity. The device also features GPS location sharing, enabling users to share these whereabouts with trusted contact for added safety. With integrated AI, the device ensures seamless and intuitive function. Features when needed. Whether for safety, accessibility, or convenience, this device combines multiple features to support users in various situations.